Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. I want to show you live right here how to manifest and how to use meditation to get what you want. First up, you must have an intention. What does that mean? Well, you got to get clear about what you want. Go find your favorite chair. Go ahead and sit down for a second, all right? Make sure when you sit up, you have your back straight, okay? You take a deep breath through your nose. Hold it. Then exhale. I want you to think now about your goals. I want you to take the picture of that goal, and I want you to see the goal happen. I want you to tell me, what do you smell while you're achieving the goal? What can you taste? What are you able to see now? And as you feel that, you start to get happy because you can see the money flowing into your bank account. You are now an accomplished, achieved individual. I love you. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Remember, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. Much love. Let's go.